Back Like Cook Crack Part 2. Straight hood. Alright. enough of that. So, like I was saying, what we did today was kind of lame.
We were in the train for 4 hours.
4 hours, but she
No,
brought me
like 5.
five. But she
It's
brought
him.
but she,
It's because of him.
son, she got like a million trains go by.
Did you believe that?
And then she went to take hella pictures.
What was his idea?
But she brought me breakfast. Hey, hold up. We got a little special
guest.
little special guest.
Hi, my kid.
Boom!
Say hi.
This the big homie Madison. Look, hey, big homie Madison.
Yes.
Hey, we in there. So, we have something to show y'all. Breaking news. Hold on. Boom!
Oh my god.
Who's that?
What is that? Okay, who do you think it is? Drum roll, drum roll.
Jump.
It's the D. This is before and after. Yeah. I said, this is my thing. Yeah, so. He's not here right now. Oh, put him back. He's back.
But, tell me Anthony didn't just look like a reggaeton artist.
Like Daddy Yankee.
Like Daddy Yankee nephew.
Little Yankee. We love you.
We love you though.
Just joking.
You're still my
please,
peanut.
like, how did I do? Give him the idea.
Word, chill. But yo,
Joke. It was all
chilling.
love.
Wait, no. It's 10/20/08. Besties.
Forever to be continued. Stop. So check him out.
What you like,
You
man?
like his goofy?
Like a koofy.
Little goofy.
Little koofy. Some light. Pray no. Samantha, check out the face.
No, don't check out the face.
You chilling though.
Yeah.
Fuck all y'all.